Hello everyone and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss phrasal verbs that start with B. So let's get started. Our first phrasal verb is bump into, which means meet by accident or unexpectedly. Observe the example here for better understanding. John bumped into his English teacher at the supermarket. Hence the meaning of bumped into is clear, which means that John had a meeting by accident or it was an unexpected meeting with his English teacher at the supermarket. Let's move towards our second phrasal verb, which is brush up on. Brush up on, as evident from its name or its pronunciation, that it means improve, refresh one's knowledge of something. Observe the sentence here. Mary decided to brush up on her Spanish before going to South America. So the meaning has cleared up further that Mary has decided to further improve, to further refresh her knowledge of her Spanish language before going to South America. Let's move towards our third phrasal verb, which is bring about, which means cause something to happen. So bring about means the reason that leads something to happen. Observe the sentence construction here. The arrival of electricity in rural areas brought about a huge change. It means that the electricity bring about a large amount of change in rural areas, and electricity was the reason that led the change to happen. Hence the meaning of bring about is clear now. So let's move towards our fourth phrasal verb, which is break with. Break with means to discontinue something or to do something in a different way. So let's observe the sentence construction here. He broke with tradition and invented new methods. It means the person which is discussed here, a specific person, has discontinued something or that is related to his tradition and has invented his new methods which were quite different with the traditional ways. Hence this meaning is also clear. So let's move towards our fifth phrasal verb, which is break out of. Break out of means escape from captivity by force. Observe the example here. 3 prisoners broke out of the central prison last night. Hence the meaning is coming out quite clear that the 3 prisoners had escaped from the captivity by force, that they broke out of the central prison last night. Let's move towards our sixth phrasal verb, which is break through. Break through means force a way through something. Observe the sentence construction here, which is the car broke through the barrier set up by the police, which means the car had to be forced or had to be introduced away through the barrier set up by the police. It might be a checkpost or it might be a police station or something. Let's discuss our seventh phrasal verb, which is boil down to. Boil down to means be reduced to the main reason or the essential part. Hence the sentence construction will be the problem boils down to a lack of money, which means that the problem had reduced to the main reason or the essential reason, which was the lack of money. So let's discuss the eighth phrasal verb, which is blackout. Blackout means to faint or to lose one's consciousness. So observe the sentence construction here. When he fell off the horse, he blacked out. Hence the meaning is coming out quite clear from this phrasal verb, and through sentence construction it has further enhanced. So when a specific person has fallen from the horse, he blacked out means he fainted or he might have lost his consciousness. Let's discuss the ninth phrasal verb, which is back away. Back away means to move backwards in fear or dislike. Observe the sentence construction here. When he saw the dog, he backed away. It means the person, the specific person who has seen the dog has moved backwards in fear or dislike. Let's move towards our 10th phrasal verb, which is back down. Back down means withdraw, concede, defeat. Observe the sentence construction here. Local authorities backed down on their plans to demolish the cinema. It means that the local authorities withdrew or cancelled their plan to demolish the cinema. Hence the meaning has been cleared. So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.